Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make refreshing face mist using some rosemary hydrosol and frankincense and myrrh infused water. Face mist are sprays used for hydration. I generally use it when my skin feels tired or dehydrated. Generally, facial mist consists of hydrosols or floral water for skin soothing, and it also contains ingredients like allantoin, panthenol or provitamin B5, aloe vera liquid or powder for skin soothing and healing properties. It also contains humectants like glycerin, sodium lactate or propanediol to hydrate the skin and make it soft. Generally, humectants draw moisture to the skin. Since this is a water-based product, we will need a preservative to store it for more than a week. Here, to make this refreshing face mist, I'll be using rosemary hydrosol. Rosemary hydrosol is known for skin soothing and healing properties. It calms the irritation on the skin. I'm adding all the ingredients which are easily available. For the humectant, I'm adding glycerin to make the skin soft and supple. I'm adding witch hazel for its astringent properties. Witch hazel is extracted from the barks and leaves of Hamamelis virginiana tree. It is a natural astringent. It helps irritated skin and inflammation. It is also known as good for the acne skin. I'm using non-alcoholic version of witch hazel. To make the infused water, I'll be adding frankincense resin, myrrh resin and nutmeg. Frankincense and myrrh are used to be known from ancient times in Ayurvedic medicine. They promote feeling of spiritual awakening, peace and relaxation. Frankincense and myrrh are resins extracted from the plants which are native to India, Africa and Middle East. I'll also be adding nutmeg for the water infusion. Nutmeg has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is known to reduce pigmentation and help with acne skin. To add more soothing properties, you could add aloe vera powder or aloe vera liquid, allantoin or panthenol. I am not adding essential oils or carrier oils or any oil soluble ingredients. To add an oil soluble ingredient, we will need a solubilizer which allows a small portion of oil to be added in the water. Without adding solubilizer, oil and water stay in two separate phases. Shaking the two separate phases may not help in mixing oil and water, so I am completely avoiding it. In order to send the facial mist, I will be using hydrosol and the infused water. So let's see how to make a facial mist now. To make this facial mist, I would need rosemary hydrosol of 25 grams, witch hazel of 2.8 grams. I have taken both into this beaker. To make the infused water, I would need myrrh powder, frankincense powder and nutmeg powder. I have grated this nutmeg. Now I'll grind frankincense and myrrh to a powder. Grinded frankincense and myrrh into fine powder, and here it is. I'll be adding nutmeg powder as well. Add little nutmeg if you are allergic to it or if you feel sensitive to it. Add 80 grams of water. I have added 18 grams of water. Later, I will filter it and use only 70.7 grams for this facial mist. I believe some of the water will evaporate in the process, so I am taking some extra water. I'll mix it thoroughly. Heat it on a double boiler for 20 to 30 minutes until the resin dissolves in the water. Heated the rosemary hydrosol along with witch hazel for a couple of minutes, and I have infused this frankincense and myrrh for 40 minutes in water. I could still see some particles which are not dissolved. I'll filter it and use it for bath salts or as a scrub. Add glycerin of 0.5 grams. If we add more glycerin, it will become sticky. Add preservative of 1 gram. I am using GeoGuard ECT. As per the document, it is water soluble, but I see it is not soluble completely, so I shake it whenever using it. I'll mix both the rosemary hydrosol and the infused water phase. Stir it properly. I'll pour it into a glass container. Here it is. For a travel pack, I'll pour it into this. For a quick demo, it feels so refreshing. The smell is similar to that of a frankincense hydrosol. It reminds me of my childhood days when my grandmother used to use frankincense and myrrh oils for the pain. It feels so refreshing. This facial mist can be made with the ingredients that are readily available. Please do try and let me know how it works for you. This facial mist can be stored in fridge for 3 weeks since the preservative is already added. If you want it to store for more months and for a good shelf life, you can use hydrosol instead of infusing resins in water. You can get a frankincense or myrrh hydrosol and combine it in this similar way. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe.